Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Power BI series. So today we will discuss about date dimension table. What is date dimension table and why it is important? So let's get started. Date dimension table is important because in our report we have a limited number of days for our report, and we can view or generate the report for only those date which is presented in our report. So if we want to know the data for those period also, where the suppose where the order is not received or sales is not generated, for that we create a date dimension table. So in date dimension table, a series of date is presented from A to Z. So all the date will be presented whether there is order received or not. So for example, in my transaction table, I have orders like, so we have a order date where the number of days is presented. So this these are only the date where the order is received. So if I want to know the uh, how many days or how many which are the period where the order is not received, for that we need to create a date dimension table. So let us create a new table. We can simply go to the modeling tab, and from here we can click on new table, or else we can go in our transaction table or whichever table, and here also we see a new table. So left click on this new table, and on the right hand side under the fields tab you will see a new table is generated. So let us name it as date table. So now we have to create a series of date. So for that we will use a dax function called calendar. So here the two arguments are set, like start date and end date. So if we give the start date and end date manually, then it will be not useful, because in future the order, if the order is updated, then the new date will not be updated automatically. So to creates the date automatically once the report is refreshed, so we can use minimum of. So we want the, so like in this example I am taking the date dimension table for my order dates. So order date which is in transaction table, minimum of order date from transaction table, and second argument the end date. So maximum of order date from transaction table. So now it, what it will do, it will create a series of date for all the dates which is from the starting of the order, which is the minimum date, till the maximum of the order date. So all the dates will be presented, and none of the date will be missing. So simply click or hit enter, and you see the dates are generated from like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, all the dates of all the month till the max, which is December till December 2018. So now next step is to, we also have to build a relationship for this date table which is created. So we will go into the model tab, and drag this date table so that we can easily find. So now I want to filter, as said, I want to filter my order date of transaction table. So I will simply drag this date to the order date in transaction table, and the relationship will be built. Now you see, so the relationship is built, and now I can use this date table for my orders where the months in which the order is not received. So this is all about the date dimension table. I hope you guys like the video, and if you want to practice and want this Excel sheet, so I will provide the link in the description. Thank you everyone. Happy learning and be safe.